Hey guys, today we are in Folsom, California, and we are taking you on a tour of the brand new community that just opened last weekend, Tri-Point Homes in Folsom. Okay, this is the Canary build, and they just opened up last weekend with 8 homes, and they sold 6 already. They have 2 left. We're here right now touring homes, and there are people walking through like mad. And I think I know why. It's the price point, guys. So, you guys ready to go on a tour?
So if you're not familiar with Folsom, this community is in the Folsom Ranch area. Folsom is absolutely beautiful. There is views of like Sacramento you can see over here.
Views for days.
Views for days. And then also there is a Palladio right across the freeway, which is a bunch of restaurants, shopping. There's Sequest, it's like an aquarium, and then there's also the Folsom Zoo. One of our favorite things to do here in Folsom is a Folsom Lake. You can just hang out on the beach. There's kayaking. There is a whole bunch of water sports, hiking, and just it's so much fun, and it connects to the American River. So make sure you watch the video on top things to do in Folsom so you can get an idea of what's around here. If you're new to our channel, make sure to give a little love to that subscribe button and click on that notification button so you can be the first to know about new communities like this in the area and what's happening in the real estate market here in Northern California. All right, you guys.
Hold on. I want to tell a little bit about the houses before we go in. I know it's already, what, 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Before we go in, Canary has 4 plans, guys, and it starts at $490,099.
In Folsom.
They're sold out already. The next phase is going to be in about 2 weeks, so it'll probably be a little bit higher. The next plan 2 is going to be $509,000, and it goes up to $543,000. We're gonna tour that right now. All right, you guys ready? Let's go.
All right, let's go. So let's go inside plan 1. This is 1705 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms. So right when you walk in, you have your stairs right here. Then you have your half bathroom. You have your living room, dining room, kitchen combo. Then you have your pantry over there and your garage door access. Super cute home. Right, so let's go on upstairs. All right, so over here, as soon as you walk in is the master, but we'll save that bad boy for last. Here to the left, you have a pretty good sized bedroom. Have a linen closet here. A full bathroom. This will be your laundry room and another bedroom. Okay. Right, and this is the master bedroom. The master bathroom. And a walk-in closet.
So this is the Canary Plan 2. It's 1,941 square feet. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. So we go inside. If you hang a right, you have your first half bath downstairs. Your living space flows right into the kitchen. Beautiful center island. Plenty of space. Now let's go upstairs. Again, this is 1,941 square feet. But it even has a loft. Pretty good layout for the size. Nice decent sized loft as soon as you get up top. You guys want to see the master bedroom first? Thing about Folsom, they have beautiful views out here, guys, just to give you kind of a look. And this is the lowest elevation of Folsom. You could still see a lot. Coming into the master bathroom. Nice walk-in closet. Okay, we'll hang a left. Got our laundry. Directly across be your full bathroom. And we'll finish up with the last 2 bedrooms side by side. Here. All right, on to the next one, guys. Okay, here's plan 3. It's gonna be 1,990 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Wow. As soon as we walk in, you have a downstairs bedroom. Let's take a look. It's a full bathroom first. It's the front of the house. And then directly across is going to be your living room that flows into the dining room and kitchen. Beautiful, nice and open. Love it. They did a good job. Tri-Point Homes, you're killing it. Love this. Nice little pantry. Look at that. Beautiful. Again, these are some of the lowest price new builds in Folsom. That'll be your garage. All right, let's go upstairs. Okay, let's hang a right. Looks like it'll be the master bedroom. Let's Get that view outside. Hey. Walk-in closet. It's always weirder when I'm on camera. But it is what it is. Mirrors everywhere. Nice long flowing countertop. Beautiful shower. I'm liking these plans, guys. All right, on to the next one.
All right, guys, so we are here at Plan 4. This is 2239 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bathrooms. All right, so right when you walk in, you come over here to the left. You have this office or bedroom with a walk-in closet. And then you have your full bathroom right here. This would be access to the garage. And you have your living room, dining room, kitchen. I love how open it is. They did a really good job with the layout of this house. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, so right when you come up, there is a loft here. And down the hall, your first door is going to be the master bedroom. Here's the master bathroom with the double sink and the vanity. And a good sized closet. Okay, now you have your second bathroom upstairs. You have a bedroom here. And then another bedroom. Your laundry room with cabinets. And then you have your laundry room. This is the elementary school right around the corner from the community. Check it out, it's pretty big. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tour of this new community in Folsom. If you have any questions, make sure to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. We'd be happy to help you find your new home here in Northern California.
Can I say it?
No.
Can I say it?
No. All right, go ahead.
Okay. If you guys haven't yet, I need you to make sure you show a little love to that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you guys can be the first to see what's going on here in Northern California. Okay, see you on the next one.
Bye.
Peace.